Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with this Beauty Creations brush, and then I'm gonna start with a little cut crease. Not really doing too much with the eyes today. Not really doing too much with the eyes. So let's see. I'm gonna start with, let's start with a Tarte's palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the shade Art Deco. Now I'm going to actually go in now with my Milani palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade right here. You guys know I need this blue. Okay, so if I definitely need this blue to pop a little bit more. So what I'm going to be doing is spraying my brush. Okay, so that's when, and I'm going to show you guys an example. Okay guys, so a little trick is, if you need your eyeshadow shades to pop a little bit more, because right here is just a little, it's a little dull for me. I need it to pop a bit more. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna show you the difference. So I'm not gonna touch this eye, I'm gonna put it on this eye. We're gonna see which one of the shades pop a bit more. So what I'm gonna do is use my MAC Fix Plus spray, and I'm gonna spray my brush. One spray is enough. Okay, and I'm going to go in that same blue shade, that Gasp, and I'm going to dip it in the palette, right? And I'm going to tap that in. Remember, I'm not swiping in, I'm tapping in. Okay, do you see the difference, guys? Like, look at that blue shade compared to this one. This left eye is a little bit more pigmented. My left, I think, is gonna be your right. My left, your right. Okay, so this is definitely showing way more than this eye shade. Do you see that? So that's a trick. Okay, if you need your eyeshadow to be a bit more pigmented, just spray the brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going into my foundation routine, but as I go into my foundation routine, I just want to share with you guys, just being transparent. I know a couple videos back I did a skincare routine, and my skin was coming along. Yeah, it had a few blemishes and stuff, but I actually do religiously do my skincare routines, day and night skincare routines, right? And I just noticed that my skin, like, I woke up and look at my skin, guys. Look at my skin, guys. Look at these bumps. Look at these bumps everywhere on my... Oh. I definitely did incorporate some different stuff, different products in my skincare routine. So I really do hope that works. So if it does work, you know, I'm gonna give it a couple weeks or so, and I'm gonna see if there's any changes or progress going on and stuff. So I'm gonna share that with you guys. So you know, if it works, what's going on, the progress and all of that stuff that's going on with that. So for now, when I'm doing my videos, I'm gonna be backing away from you guys a bit. Okay, we're gonna have a little distance like this a bit, okay? Because I'm just so you know, I'm just so self-conscious right now about my skin. I don't really like how what's going on right now with my skin, for real, to tell you the truth. You know, you really do, you know, because the first thing when somebody look at you, they look on your face, obviously, and I just don't like how it's looking right now. So I did go in with my primer. So if my skin is looking a little white or ashy a bit, it's the touch up primer I use on my skin. But I'm gonna also go in with the e.l.f. blemish control face primer, just a little bit, okay? I'm just gonna add just a tad bit. And if you notice, like, my problem areas, there's not much on my forehead. There's nothing actually on my forehead. My forehead is good, right? My forehead is good, but it's just along my cheek area right here, along my chin down here. Like, I don't know, like, what's going on with that. But being as we have these breakouts and stuff, now I have to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is actually a corrector, okay? So it actually fade away a bit of the dark. I have so much, so I'm just gonna, oh my goodness. So this actually fade away the dark spots a bit, so when you apply your foundation, it doesn't peek through that foundation. So I'm just applying that on these dark spots on my skin. I mean, for me it looked really bad, you know? Some of you guys are probably like, Kim, it's not that bad. Like, oh. I don't know, guys. This is like stressing me out. These, oh no. And I definitely drink a lot of water. You know, you gotta drink a lot of water too. So I definitely am doing that. And I know someone told me about witch hazel, so I was using that on my face as well. And I definitely know the charcoal face mask and stuff like that, those are good because of the charcoal. It definitely bring out those impurities and dirt and all that stuff from your face. But it's so weird that it's only along my cheek and under my chin area. I don't know, I just hope this thing just go away. So as you could see, the orange corrector has eliminated those dark marks, those dark spots. But we definitely have to blend this out because we don't want, after you put the foundation on, you're seeing that orange peeping through the foundation. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out properly. Okay, I'm going through it. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 358, and I'm just gonna apply that on the back of my hand. Alright. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna set that. And I'm gonna push this powder under the eyes. And this time I'm baking. I'm gonna push that powder alongside the nose. Just like that. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
If I blow a kiss, all that go.
Are you gonna give me a kiss? Come for the kiss now. Oh, child. You see when men come in the beauty room?
Oh man, Ethan. If you break it, I gotta pay for it.
When men come in the beauty room, that's what happens.
Let's go before you break something.
All right. Okay guys, so now we're baking. I'm actually gonna brush this powder away because I don't want to bake for too long, so I'm gonna wipe this away. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go in with my contour, and I'm gonna contour the nose. Just like that. I never used to cream contour my nose actually, but ever since I got the hang of it, there's no stopping me. All right. So I'm gonna contour along here and there. Right, and then we're gonna brush that away. Not brush, but press that into our skin. And I'm using that same Tarte brush and press that in just like so. So I'm gonna deepen that contour by going in my Black Radiance palette, and I'm going to go into the contour shade, and I'm just gonna press that alongside my cheekbones like so. So I'm just stamping it just like that. Can you see that definition coming through? Yes guys, that's what I'm looking for. Say I didn't come on camera, right, and tell you guys about my skin. Would it be that noticeable or no? I don't know if you guys would have noticed it if I didn't tell you. Maybe you guys would, maybe you guys wouldn't, but I thought I'd beat you guys to it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go under the eyes because I wasn't done with the eyes, right? So I'm gonna use my NYX, and this is the jumbo white pencil, and I'm going to open my eyes just let's bring this mirror a little bit closer, and I'm going to open my eyes just like this. Looking like a luxury doll. I'm kind of leaning towards putting just a few individual lashes under my eyes. Okay. Should I put some individual lashes under my eyes, guys? Because, you know, I want to feel really glam today, okay? I want to cheer myself up after looking on my face, all right? So I think I should, right? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. You like it, and I'm loving it. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Thank you so much, my Kimmy K family, my Kimmy K squad. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you so much for staying till the end. Okay, I know your girl is going to get through this. Okay, all of this right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.